Section 3.3, Probabilities Using Counting Methods. In a previous unit, we solved problems using the fundamental counting principle, where we multiply all options together to find our total possible outcomes. Permutations, we look at questions where order matters, and we use the formula NPR. And finally, combinations, questions where order does not matter, and we use the formula NCR. Now we will use these counting techniques to solve probability problems, keeping in mind that probability is our favorable outcomes divided by our total. Example 1. A survey was conducted of 500 adults who wore Halloween costumes to a party. Each person was asked how he or she acquired the costume. 360 adults created their costumes, 60 adults rented their costumes, 60 adults bought their costumes, and 20 adults borrowed costumes. What is the probability that the first 4 people who were polled all created their costumes? First of all, this is a combination question. Order does not matter. So again, we are looking at a combination. We need to first of all find the total number of outcomes. We have 500 people, and we are looking for the first 4 people coming through the door. We then look at the number of favorable outcomes. Our favorable outcomes are people who created their costumes. We can see that 360 adults created their costumes. So of the 360, we are looking for the first 4 people where order does not matter. Finally, we look for the probability, given our probability is our favorable outcomes over the total. Our favorable outcomes is 360, choose 4, divided by 500, choose 4. 360, choose 4 is, when we plug it into our calculator, it's a very large number. And 500, choose 4. And when we divide those numbers to find our total probability, again, probability can be written as a fraction or as a decimal, or we can write it as a percent. 26.7. 26.7%.